Welcome back guys to the next monthly workshop walk around. Okay, so we've had this razor come in for some metal work and paint work. It's not a lot to do on it, it's just the sills on both sides, the front and the back. But yeah, it's a real cool car this. The interior, I absolutely love the interior on a razor. The dash is mint. Yeah, it's a cool car. Get onto that one next. These are matte wheels that I showed you in the last monthly walk around. Those all prepped up, ready to go. We painted them. Painted in the factory, two-tone. They've come out nice. And the rest of these parts are in the booth now, ready to go with steering wheel and column. Right, we've got over here, we've got Linda's 1302 Cabrio. Is 99% done. MOT next week. Then a final polish and ceramic coat, and then she can have that back. And we've had this quite a while. We've had some trouble with the engine, that seems to be sorted now. Sean's Beetle, getting back on that soon. Polly's parlour, ice cream man's coming for a little bit of work. It's another little job. Just repairs to the sills. It was pretty rough down there. But yeah, I'll do a little video on that to go on YouTube when it's done. And we've been working on Alex's ghia. And this has been a nightmare, to be honest. It's fought us all the way. But we've got it on the jig, nice and square. Got the channels in the right place. The A-posts are pretty much done. Just got to finish the repairs on the closing panel. And I've done some work around the front, spare wheel well, washer recess, sorry. But yeah, that'll all be going on the video coming out next few days. But yeah, so that's where we are in February. So hope you guys have a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.